Okay, first things first. I start by detangling my hair using lukewarm water, and I try to refrain from using any combs or anything just so I can minimize my breakage much as possible. I would rather just finger detangle. Next thing I do, I separate my hair into two sections. Separating my hair into sections just make things a lot easier. My scalp is so dirty, y'all. For today's wash day, I'm going to be using Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. This is a sulfate-free shampoo that not only gently cleanses your hair, but is supposed to reduce breakage up to 76% when used with the conditioner. When scrubbing my hair, I'll just make sure I focus mainly on my scalp, trying to scrub away any debris or dirt that may have been left from any old products that I've used in the past. Does anyone else make this face? Just me? Let me know in the comments below if you do too. I'm also going to be using a little scrubbing brush that Shea Moisture sent me. You guys, this feels so good. Y'all don't even understand. Now on to the other side. My first impression of the shampoo was that it was very liquidy and runny, and after using it, I felt my hair was really cleansed, but it wasn't stripped. All the products from this line are preparative, so that means they are packed with a lot of protein. So if your hair does not handle protein very well, this is not the product for you. If you notice closely, you may see my eyes are starting to get red. I'm sorry, I just always get shampoo in my eye and I can't help it. Next, I'm using the conditioner, and I must say that I really like this conditioner. It was really thick when applying it. It did not give me a lot of slip, but it did make my hair feel really soft after using it. My eyes are burning so bad, you guys. Next, I'm using the protein power treatment from this line, and I must say this deep conditioner is so thick, you guys. And if you know me, I love thick products. It did not require a lot of product, and once it was all the way through and I let it sit on there for about 20 minutes, my hair felt so soft and moisturized. This is probably one of my second favorite products from this line. Okay, fast forwarding to me with my braid out, I went ahead and applied the split end balm. For me, this is the product I've been seeing everyone talk about from Instagram to YouTube, and to me it lives up to the hype. I really enjoyed using this product. It did exactly what it said it was going to do, which was seal and mask my split ends. And lastly, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Multi-Action Leave-In. This product smells so good, you guys, and I love having something that's quick and easy for when I'm in a hurry. Okay, and that is it for this video.